Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Pandas library in Python. Pandas is a powerful library that allows you to manipulate, clean, and analyze data in Python. Whether you're working with a small dataset or a large one, Pandas makes it easy to work with your data. Step 1. Install Pandas. To use Pandas, you need to have it installed on your computer. You can install it using the pip package manager by running pip install pandas in your command prompt or terminal. Step 2. Import Pandas. Once Pandas is installed, you can import it into your Python script by running import pandas as pd. The pd alias makes it easier to call Pandas functions and methods in your code. Step 3. Load data. Pandas can work with a variety of data formats, including CSV, Excel, and SQL databases. To load data into a Pandas data frame, you can use the pd.read_csv function to read a CSV file, or pd.read_excel to read an Excel file. Step 4. Explore the data. Once your data is loaded into a Pandas data frame, you can use several methods to explore and analyze it. For example, you can use df.head to display the first 5 rows of the data frame, df.info to display information about the data frame, and df.describe to display summary statistics for numerical columns. Step 5. Clean the data. Before you can analyze your data, you may need to clean it. Common cleaning tasks include removing missing values, removing duplicates, and converting data types. You can use Pandas functions such as df.dropNA, df.drop_duplicates, and df.astype to perform these tasks. Step 6. Manipulate the data. Once your data is clean, you can manipulate it using Pandas. For example, you can use df_column_name to select a column, df.sort_values to sort, and df.groupv to group and aggregate data. Step 7. Save the data. Finally, you can save the manipulated data frame back to a file using df.to_csv or df.to_excel. Conclusion. That's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to use the Pandas library in Python. There's so much more you can do with Pandas, so be sure to check out the documentation for more information. Thanks for watching. Visit https://datafordummies.blog.